In this video, I will show you how to add any apps to the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. Now usually, once you download and install apps into your Samsung Smart TV, they are not automatically added to the home screen just the same way you have these pre-installed apps on the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. So if you want to be able to add any app that you downloaded and installed into your Samsung Smart TV to the home screen, what you want to do is to simply use your remote control. Make sure you're at the home of your Samsung Smart TV, and then you just want to navigate to where you have apps over here. So navigate to the left hand side and click on apps. Now from the app store of your Samsung Smart TV over here, you just want to scroll over to the top where you have the settings icon. So just come over to the settings icon, click on it. And then over here, you're going to see all of the apps that has been downloaded and installed into your Samsung Smart TV. Now, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and select the particular app you want to be on the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. In my case, this DSTV app. And then you just want to scroll down and then click on add to home, just like so, and automatically that particular app will be added to the home of your Samsung Smart TV. Now you also have the ability to adjust the position of where you want that particular app to be. So I can go ahead and put it at the front over here, or I can just shift it and then make sure it is at the last over here. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on OK. And now that particular app has been added to the home screen of your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.